Hi, my name is Shane Hare and I work for Mackay Area Productivity Services, and today I'll be giving a quick guide video into how to print a crop and paddock report. So to print a crop and paddock report, once you've logged into your farm, go up to the top left and click on the Selected Farms button. This will display each farm that you have access to, and in this example I've got access to 2 farms. So we're going to print a paddock report for 2022A. If we follow that line across and hover over the print icon, it gives you your 4 reports that you can print, and the one we're after now is a paddock and crop report. So a paddock and crop report basically gives you a breakdown of all the varieties planted on your farm, and it will give you also the percentage that you've got fallow. You can also print this as a basic map, so you can scribble on. You can also print it as a soil map, which I'll show you once it loads in. So it does take a bit of time to load this one because it's got to bring in every variety to every paddock and if it's fallow or not. So once it loads in, you can see it gives you a breakdown of the variety composition on your farm. And in this example, if we hover over the larger percentage on the pie graph, you can see that it's 208 at 52.88 hectares, which makes up 32.62% of the farm area. We've got fallow in grey is 16.78 hectares, which is 10.35% of the total area of that farm. We can look at all the blocks and the varieties and the areas, and we've got a simple map on the right hand side that's currently in street view with the street names present. But if you go to the bottom, you click on the bottom arrow and you can either turn farm boundaries on or off. You can turn paddocks on and off and just print the farm boundary. Other options too are on the top left hand corner of the map is to press on Show Mapping Tools. You can turn this to photo view if you want to print a satellite image. And make note that anything visible in this screen is what will print. So if you just want to print this farm map, you can make it as big as you can fit in the screen. That looks like the biggest I'm going to get. So you could print that as a basic map, or I could go over to this section, zoom in a little bit more, and I could print that as a basic map. The other option you can do is click back on the map layer controls button in the top left, and you can also print a Mackay soils map. So this takes a little bit of time, but will load in your different soil types on that farm. And to see the basic key for that map, you just want to click on this box that says Show Foreground Legend, and that will bring up the legend for you to show what color your soil map or your soil changes are. So you could print that now if you just went to the print button. This will print out a map, a basic map of your farm showing your soil types, which is quite useful. We are working on being able to print a bigger map to a page, so basically just printing the map, and that will hopefully be completed in the future. But thanks for your time. Hope this was of use to you, and I'll see you in the next video.